In 3, 2, 1, and we are live. Good afternoon, mga PDAX, and welcome to Crypto News Weekly. I'm your host, Kyle, and today in every Crypto News Weekly, we provide the latest and greatest crypto news to share with you all in hopes to continue your journey. Now, I hope everyone has had a good week so far. Happy Friday, mga kapidax. Hello kay Jeril, Marisa, Aaron, Kim, Niklaus. Reynaldo. Hello, everyone. Hello. When I feel like everyone is in a very happy mood right now, no? Bitcoin has reached to all-time highs. Ethereum also, right? And everything is going well and well now that we're in a bull run, so to speak. No? So I hope everyone is roaring to go and roaring to go on a spending spree, no? Bili pa ng Bitcoin. But again, not financial advice. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? Let's get right into it, no? So let me share my screen. Let's this webinar will be a bit short. We're trying out a new format. No, we're experimenting with another kind of format. Let me know rin if my mic is maingay ba ako? May pagka choppiness or whatnot. If so, I'll just uh, turn off ko lang yung electric fan ko para hindi maingay for you. So yun, mga kapidax, what's up? What's up, Buttercup? Wake me up before you go nga, diba? Ayan, this should be better. Should be better. So yeah. All right, hello, sino ba to? Good afternoon, Kyle. What it means to upgrade to premium, all-time high. So, hi, love God. Sana ma-bless tayo ng mga love gods ngayon, no? But upgrading to premium means that your transaction limits are higher, no? All you need to do to upgrade to premium is to follow our support page. To upgrade to premium, PDAX. Usually nasa first ano yan to when pag ginugol niyo lang makita niyo how to upgrade to premium. You would need one source of income, one proof of income and one proof of residence. Chat up our email or Salesforce no yung support.pdax.ph makita niyo naman right here. There. So visit that link to upgrade to premium. Your transaction limits will be higher. All right. As I said earlier, we're starting with this new kind of format. We'll go straight into it. We'll be faster. We're trying to compress it, no? Kasi baka masyadong yung attention span natin, 'di ba? Gusto natin snappy, quick, and digestible yung mga news. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Before that, I would like to acknowledge a scammer in the comments, okay? There is someone that is pretending to be PDAX and I'm trying to report that spammer, no? Pero sabi na nag-gift raw siya ng 100 ETH. So, if you could help me delete that, that would be very helpful. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's begin. Right? The views and opinions that are expressed in this webinar are only that of the presenters and do not necessarily reflect the company's views. The statements being made are not to be treated as investment or financial advice. Please exercise caution when buying and selling cryptocurrencies as they are highly volatile. Oops. So if this is your first time coming here, welcome, welcome. PDAX is the BSP licensed digital asset exchange that allows Filipinos to buy and sell digital assets. Currently, we have 14 available assets, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, USD Tether, USD Coin, Chainlink, Uniswap, the Graph Token, Engine Coin, Basic Attention Token, and Compound. So if you don't know what PDAX stands for, it stands for the Philippine Digital Asset Exchange. All right? Yeah. So you can say it naman PDAX or PDAX. Either is okay. So don't worry. So as I said, ask questions, comment your thoughts, and share this Facebook Live for a chance to win this rocking PDAX t-shirt. Yan yung gusto natin. Freebies, diba? Freebies. Nanood ka lang, nanalo ka pa ng t-shirt. Ayaw nyo yan? Ayaw nyo ba yan? All right. So now let's get started and let's get straight right into crypto news weekly. Firstly, as everyone knows, the crypto market cap hits all-time high as Bitcoin and Ethereum soar. The total market cap, all crypto, rose to all-time highs on Wednesday, capping off a dramatic months-long recovery that reaffirmed the bullish narrative for Bitcoin and Ether. The crypto market cap, an important barometer for the overall health of the digital asset economy, reached a high above $2.63 trillion on Wednesday. That represents a gain of 5.9% over the previous 24 hours. A buying frenzy in the market lifted Bitcoin to all record time highs as the flagship cryptocurrency touched an intraday peak of $67,000. And meanwhile, Ether crossed the $4,000 mark for only the second time since May. With the exception of stablecoins, every crypto in the top 10 market cap printed gains. The new market cap marks an important milestone for digital assets after a months long correction during the summer threatened the bullish narrative. During the low point, the crypto market plunged to below $1.2 trillion. So right then and there, no, guys, crypto market cap hits all-time high, and this is related also, in fact, due to the Bitcoin ETF being approved and being up for trading in the by the SEC, no, approved by the SEC, and now available to be traded under. I think it's the ProShares ETF, ProShares Bitcoin ETF. So that allows more liquidity, more participants, and overall, uh, yeah, more market participants, allowing for Bitcoin to reach its high day. So I hope everyone is enjoying their Bitcoin. I hope everyone is happy. I know some are not yet content with the current price, right? I think bumaba nga ng konti from 67,000, I think, but back to 63,000, but maybe it's just a dip, right? Maybe people are over leveraged. So very interesting. Yeah. Let's move on to the next news. Oops. 200 Bitcoin ATMs installed at Walmart with plans for 8,000 in total. Walmart plans to eventually install 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs in the US and has installed 200 in a pilot program. Walmart has partnered with coin cashing machine company to install 200 Bitcoin ATMs in its store across the US. There are currently over 25,000 Bitcoin ATMs at select grocery stores and service stations in the US. So Coinstar operates 4,400 kiosks enabled for Bitcoin purchases across the three states. Customer can use the Bitcoin ATM by inserting a banknote and receiving a paper voucher with a redemption code. The Bitcoin ATMs have an 11% surcharge comprised of a 4% fee for the Bitcoin option plus an additional 7% cash exchange fee. Medyo mahal. However, users complain about the high fees. It's a ripoff, but at least it's a sign of adoption. They think some people might want Bitcoin enough to pay huge fees. So very interesting, guys. A lot more Bitcoin ATMs being installed in the US nationwide. I believe meron rin tayong Bitcoin ATM. It's around in a Union Bank branch sa may Makati. So pwede ka rin bumili ng Bitcoin here in the Philippines through an ATM. That's very exciting. Yeah, overall innovation, sabi nga ni Aaron, innovation, amazing talk about innovation. Moving forward, sabi ko sa inyo, mas mabilis eh. Let me know if you have any questions, because basically we want to just digest and show you the highlights of each crypto news for the week. PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel says he underinvested in Bitcoin. As Bitcoin marked a new all-time high, PayPal co-founder and billionaire venture capitalist Peter Thiel said he should have bought more Bitcoin. You're supposed to just buy Bitcoin, he said, adding, I feel like I've been underinvested in it. The tech investor noted that his only concern was that the investment secret was already known by everybody. I think the answers are still to go long. Maybe it is still enough of a secret, he added. According to Thiel, the latest Bitcoin rally is definitely a big concern for global central banks. The cryptocurrency surge is to its new historical highs surely tells us that we are at a complete bankruptcy moment for the central banks, Thiel stated. In the interview, Thiel also criticized AI as an opponent to crypto's force for decentralization. AI, especially the sort of low tech surveillance form, is essentially communist, he said, adding that AI is a technology that is going to destroy the world. Wow, napa-transition tayo bigla sa AI. Ah. Nag-start muna tayo sa underinvesting in Bitcoin. So I'm sure a lot of us resonate with what Peter Thiel said, underinvesting in Bitcoin. Syempre, risk management, first and foremost, right? Number two also to that is, how would you be sure in you would go all in Bitcoin? It's very risky. But now, more and more, as time is telling us,
I bet I think it's become and proved itself to be much more reliable, or not more reliable, but it has proven itself as a store of value. There. In addition to this, there's just a lot more innovation that's going on. And it's not just Bitcoin, right? We see it in Ethereum, we see it in play to earn games, we see it in NFTs. So overall, it's not just Bitcoin, right? It's also blockchain as a whole, like different networks using blockchain to secure its network and to build innovations on top of it. And that's what makes it very exciting. All right, moving on. NFTs of empowered women aim to drive female engagement in crypto. The market for NFT digital artwork is taking on the traditional art industry. Within the first 6 months of 2021, analytics firm DappRadar recorded $2.5 billion in NFT sales. Guys, that's 101 billion pesos na sales ng NFTs, digital images on the blockchain, of course, for those that may be skeptical of NFTs. No? Showing a major increase from the $13.7 million in sales during the same period in 2020. That's a 20x, 200x, more than 100x growth. Crazy. While the rise of blockchain digital artwork is notable, many of the artists responsible for creating today's most sought after NFTs are men. For instance, digital artist Mike Winkleman, also known as Beeple, made NFT history after selling his artwork for over $69 million at Christie's. Maliha Abidi, a female artist, author, and activist, told Cointelegraph that her passion for digital media initially attracted her to the NFT world. Abidi explained that she has been campaigning for women's rights through her artwork since 2012, but after learning about NFTs, she created a project called Women's Rights. Women Rights. She shared that 25% of proceeds will go to the Malala Fund, while another 10% will be donated across organizations supporting gender equality, girls' education, and mental health in marginalized societies. Although the NFT space appears to be resonating with more women in comparison to other crypto related sectors, educational awareness is still needed to drive participation. 100%. We need more women to be engaged in crypto because there seems to be uh, a concentration of males, I guess, in the crypto space. So this is definitely a newsworthy moment that we want to highlight because uh, on our part in PDAX, uh, we also have female leaders in our organization. So that is what we want to promote as well. And they are very um, yeah, experienced and innovative and powerful as well. All right. Yes. Moving on. Moving forward. China's state planning agency calls for public opinion on Bitcoin mining ban. China's China's National Development and Reform Commission is seeking public opinion on the inclusion of crypto mining in its list of phased out industries. As part of the calls for public comments, the agency's notice requested public feedback from relevant units as well as people from all walks of life. The public comment will last for 1 month between October 21 and November 21. Members of the public interested in providing feedback on the matter will have four different avenues to make their opinions known, including emails, physical mail, and comment sections on the Commission's website. In a related development, the Commission also put out a post on its website stating that the United States had replaced China as the dominant Bitcoin mining nation in the world. It's very interesting because this comes news after China made an announcement, right, that all cryptocurrency transactions are illegal, as well as earlier in the year when they banned the operations of Bitcoin mining operation centers in China, which caused mining to move elsewhere to different countries. So, from China's points of view, they view crypto mining as phased out already. So they are listening to what they may say and what they may say in the future about crypto mining. And whether or not, I guess maybe I'm not sure if this may persuade them to revoke the ban. Maybe that this may be one of the concerns now. But it's very interesting to see what may come of this Bitcoin mining ban, public opinion for the general public. Hopefully, the voice of the public may be shared, and maybe the Chinese government may reconsider its stance, no, on 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 its ban. But we'll see. Right. Okay. And there you go. Wrapping it up in like 15 minutes. Ang bilis, no? What do you guys think? Did I miss anything? But basically, I think one of the formats we're experimenting with, no? It's much shorter. Papanood nyo na lang sa Facebook, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Let us know if your thoughts on this. Baka we're able to share it to more people as well kasi mas digestible. Hindi siya 1 hour long. But of course, we're gonna be remaining to be in contact with you, no, mga kapidax with the community. We wanna still engage you and have you on board with us. So I'll just answer some questions, wrap up, and give away a t-shirt. All right. Okay. May question pala dito about our cash out in PDAX. So actually, we have instant cash outs. The Union Bank to InstaPay. So very convenient naman. And we have comments here saying, based on experience, mabilis cash out ko, InstaPay to my Union Bank savings account. Thank you, Jared, for that. Si Edrin, cash out, kahapon tayo, Union Bank, no fee, real-time, smooth lang. So yeah, you can cash out for free, real-time, to your Union Bank account. Second thought ang China. Yeah, so US may have already overtaken Bitcoin. Ah, China may have overtaken US. Kumusta po ang XRP? Shall we bring back Trading Corner, everyone? Let's do it. Let's show the charts since the charts are very happy with us today. Let's show the charts. Comment naman tayo dyan. I wanted to ask everyone who owns XRP. Comment naman tayo dyan. Very interested. And what do you use it for, or why did you buy XRP? Would be one of my questions for you. While I'm loading up the chart. XRP Army, kaway-kaway naman tayo dyan. Anong opinion niyo po sa Bitcoin ETFs? Well, Gerald, that's a great, great question. My opinion is that it's very bullish for Bitcoin. It allows for more liquidity, more market participants, and it definitely has created a bullish sentiment in the market. So if I would say if you're a trader, it's the best time to get into to trade it. Not I mean like trading because of its volatility. Okay, so there's still inherent risks to it. But right now, since it's very bullish, um, the probability or the chance, I'm not saying certainty, right? The probability to make some gains, so to speak, it's very apparent. As long as you follow your trading plan, if you have a trading plan and whatnot. But again, kung wala kayong oras, may trabaho kayo, syempre, I'll only have my only advice for me personally, and as we said earlier at the start of this webinar, diba? Not financial advice, and please don't take it as investment advice at all. But again, there's this, I read this book kasi it's called The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Highly recommended to read it. But parang one of his lessons there is and the longer time frame you have towards your investments or siguro the longer term, then you're much more likely to make money. Versus if you were to trade like 5 minutes, 1 minute, diba? Very, parang nag-gamble ka na lang basically. Yeah. Let me just hold on. Let me just load the screen. Yun. So, before, bumibili lang ako ng XRP for transfers. Yeah, because it's pretty cheap to transfer, diba? And then, nag-decide na ako mag-invest recently after I studied it for remittances with its cheap fees and fast. Can be useful, lalo na if you would transfer it to others all across the world. Yeah, agree. Question, Aaron, do you use it for remittances personally? If you've sent it to someone else. Very interesting. You know. So Niklaus, mid and long term. Uh, Jerry, XRP is promising in terms of doing business and remittances. And then Terry, okay, I'll answer this question. Possible ba na nakaka-earn ng 500 to 1,000 pesos daily sa trading? How much po dapat ang need to invest? It's a very good question. So, um, the answer to this is like up to you talaga, eh, 'di ba? Like um, the reason why I say this is because it is possible depending on how much capital you put in, but also you need to be wary kung it will go the other way, right? Let's say nag-stop yung market ngayon and tomorrow magiging bear market. You can not only earn but you can actually lose your original capital. So that's why it's very dependent on how well you trade. There are great resources there online on YouTube. It's libre lang actually, and we have some basic material on our YouTube. No? Pero all the resources you need, meron naman sa YouTube to trade, to learn to trade. So I highly recommend to do that. And we will be posting more in the future as well regarding how to do basic technical analysis, or maybe how do you research crypto, how do you determine if it's a good coin. So we'll do our best as well in the future to create content towards that. Are you guys planning to add more coins on the platform? Yes, definitely. Thank you for that. That is definitely the plan. Exactly. Yun na, si Reynaldo. Pwede naman i-compute mo na lang ilang percent target mo per trading and then base it. So let's say if you have 10,000 pesos, kung gusto niyo mag 10% each day, then that would be 1,000. But yeah, pero yun nga, parang day trading is very volatile, diba? So it's very difficult to time the markets a lot of time. But okay, share ko na yung screen. All right. Happy Friday, everyone. 3.2 million pesos per Bitcoin. Loko, paakyat lang ng akyat to. Ever since 2 weeks ago, parang 2 weeks ago, we were just here. October 7, 2.7 million. 1 week ago, we were here. 3 million. And now we're at 3.2 million. That's amazing. Um, we are breaking our all-time high. We did break our all-time high. So where are we going next? No? So experts have suggested that we could be going up as high as twice this, maybe possibly twice this amount. No? So that's one of the predictions. Obviously, these managers, no, but things have been looking very good for ETH and BTC. Oh, moving over to ETH, it's also following the same pattern as Bitcoin. Next, XRP. Yan ang mga XRP army natin, no? The XRP is also looking to be very good. It does have this resistance going on to it at around 60 pesos. Once na breaks si 62 pesos, I can see it going as high as ano the next 77 or 80 pesos. That's one of the possibilities because Right now, it's still trending towards and recovering towards in the 55 level, 56 level. So if it breaks that, then it can go to 62 next, then 67, and then 80. Yan. So yeah, there you go. Um, Overall, I would say like all of our coins right now, I mean, um, pretty trending. They're trending upwards, right? So um, it's a net effect, everyone. One of it is because Bitcoin is up, so every other coin is up because Bitcoin is king, nga, diba? So everything bases off from there. Um, there's this one tip I would share. Maybe it might apply this round, no. So if you see like Bitcoin goes up or Ethereum goes up, no, usually rotation yan. Eh. People move their funds to other different coins. So in those cases, like the play, siguro, or the strategy you would like to think or look at is you look for coins that have not yet, hindi pa umakyat. So the reason why is there's a possibility for that, for it to rotate already too. Uh, they'll rotate the profits from Bitcoin, lalagay nila in smaller cap coins. Right? Looking over at their coins, tingnan natin. Uh, so BAT, I'm thinking BAT, hmm, parang natutulog pa eh. So that's a possibility, not a certainty, right? Overall, I still believe in BAT's mission as well, Brave browser. So I think uh, yung profits can move towards these naman, smaller cap coins. Comp, comp is also possible, no? Kasi hindi pa umakyat. Ave, slightly umakyat, but I think there's still room for it to grow. Link, Uni, yeah, Litecoin, yeah. So Litecoin, I think all of the smaller caps they haven't really gone up yet versus Bitcoin. So that's also one thing you want like to compare rin, no? Hindi lang si PHP, compare mo lang si XRP with the price of PHP, diba? Kasi one XRP is 56 pesos. You wanna know your performance relative to si Bitcoin. Kasi si Bitcoin yung main driver ngayon, diba? So kung i-pull up niyo yung chart for XRP BTC, you wanna know if the trend for XRP BTC is going up or down. If it's going down, that means na uh, mas malakas yung performance ni Bitcoin kaysa kay XRP. Uh, Kasi mas parang stable or even declining si XRP. So you look at the BTC pair of your coins, not just the PHP pair. So you can compare the relative performance of the coin. That's one of the advice I would give. So yeah, there you go. Happy. Good luck with your trade. Good luck with your trade. Do you have any plans to add any NFTs to PDAX? Definitely, it's in the pipeline, sir. So look for that. Although we are focused right now more on developing, providing more coins. There's so much more we want to provide you, and super exciting kung ano pa yung mga coins that we want to share with you to trade on our platform. Question about Shopee. Pumili ako ng coin. Tapos na-claim ko yung rewards, pero di ko pa nakita ng ad. Bakit po kaya? So thank you, Aaron, for answering this now. 3 to 7 business days based on experience. Yeah. So based on our terms and conditions, 3 to 7 business days yung pag-claim ng Bitcoin. All right. So with that being said, let's give away the shirts and we can call it a day. Yeah. Sige. Actually, may kakasali lang pala ni Kenneth. What's up, Kenneth? Hey,
Yay!
thanks for
PDAX
joining
ka
us.
na. Oh, mabibigay ka pa ng t-shirt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sige. Tara.
Tara, giveaway na tayo ng t-shirt. Thank you for joining us.
Natin, I think large, and mostly large na nakata natira. Some XS.
Okay. Tig-isa tayo sa shirt, Kenneth. Ikaw muna pumili. Guys, comment naman. Pipiliin na namin.
Sino pa ba walang shirt? Baka lahat sila may shirt na.
Yun nga. Sino pa walang shirt? Prioritize muna natin yung mga walang shirt. Tayo mga nakakuha na ng shirt, wag na muna kayo.
Si Love God.
You love God.
Anong pangalan? Pangalan ni Love God.
All right, there you go. Congratulations. Our first winner, Love God. Amen. Amen. Love God. Congratulations. You've won a shirt. Please screenshot this and contact our Facebook page so that you can claim your prize. Thank you. Okay, finally, game. Ito na. Ako na magpili. Ay, bad word yan. Bad word. I was supposed to press the one yung katabi. Ito na dapat. There you go. Congratulations, AC. Lagi katabi ko ang natatawag. Ayan, ngayon, ikaw naman yung natatawag ngayon. So, congratulations. You've won a PDAX t-shirt. Please screenshot, message our Facebook page so that you can receive instructions on how to claim your prize. With that being said, we shall end this Crypto News Weekly. Thank you for joining us. We will see you next week. Let us know your thoughts as well regarding this format, no? Na we went faster, we made it more digestible. Mas okay ba? We're super excited to hear your thoughts. So yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.